Getting started with LPSolve is relatively straightforward if you're familiar with a typical Excel spreadsheet. You can see the ingredient matrix on the main window. The columns are the costs of each ingredient, a minimum, a maximum that defines the inclusion rates for each ingredient, and then nutrients, dry matter, protein, fat, ash, etc. The rows within the matrix are the ingredients, and here we see the ingredients for a typical calf starter, including barley, corn, soybean meal, oat grain, etc. The last two rows are the minimum and maximums of each of the nutrients. For example, in the dry matter column, we see the minimum should be 85% and the maximum should be 95%. LPSolve includes a number of example files that are downloaded when you install the program. They're in your Documents LPSolve v1.0 folder. You can change the number of ingredients in a formula using the box above the matrix, and you can also look at the number of nutrients available within the matrix. There are as many as 53 nutrients that you can view. The nutrient columns can be reordered, and when you include a minimum or maximum, then the title color will change from gray to blue. Blue indicates that the column cannot be hidden since they contain a min or a max. The gray columns without a min or max can be hidden simply by clicking on the column header, and that will cause the column to be hidden from view. If we right-click on any column header, a new box will open that allows us to select one of the currently hidden columns or nutrients. This allows you to see columns that might be important to you. The bottom left contains some metadata associated with the file, including the name of the file, the farm, the formula, the author, a brief description, as well as when the file was first created. Once you've entered the current prices, the min and max for each ingredient, and the nutrients, click the Run button. This will initiate the linear programming engine. If a feasible solution is found, a new window will open that shows the ingredient matrix along with additional information including the cost of the formula, as well as the percentages of each ingredient that are included in the final formula. There's also sensitivity analysis information included in the results. You can change the nutrient composition of any or all of the ingredients, change the ingredients included in the matrix, add, delete, or reorder ingredients within the formula. The knowledge base contains more information about ingredients, nutrients, setting up formulas, printing results, and file management. Well, that'll do it for now. Thanks for watching.